And good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I'm Meteorologist Mike Javer here with your Monday video forecast. Today looks sunny as high pressure's in control with highs in the mid to upper 80s. I think some valley floors this afternoon could get to 90 degrees. However, the humidity will be quite low today, and we'll be talking about that in just a second, but not much is expected across the region today as high pressure is again in control. Take a look at our mosaic radar Monday morning with our RAP analysis. High pressure right around here in southeastern Pennsylvania is keeping us dry throughout the day today before a small, maybe some kind of disturbance moves through tomorrow that may spark a couple showers and storms. However, the main cold front will be Wednesday. So dry today, mostly dry tomorrow. Better chance of storms on Wednesday. But high pressure is in control, and we will be dry throughout the day today, but it will be on the warmer side, but humidity will be low. Just looking at the dew points this afternoon from our HRRR, the guess itself is saying dew points in the 40s and 50s across much of the region, maybe some low 60s across southeastern PA, but it will feel quite comfortable, even though it was 88 degrees here at Wilkes-Barre-Scranton yesterday. That dew point of 49 kept it feeling awfully comfortable yesterday, and I feel like we're going to see a lot of the same today, thankfully. However, as we move into tomorrow, you see those dew points begin to spike up a little bit. We have a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere, and it's going to be a little bit muggier as we go into our Tuesday. Sufficient afternoon moisture may trigger a shower or storm. We'll stay mostly isolated, I think. I think a better chance of storms will exist across central PA tomorrow as it's a little bit closer to cold front. When you're a little bit closer to cold front, you get a little bit more lift. There's going to be insufficient lift for a widespread storm threat tomorrow. However, looking at the HRRR radar guess for Tuesday afternoon, anywhere in that red circle, I feel you have a decent shot of seeing a stray shower or storm, although most areas, I believe, will remain dry tomorrow as well. Now, here's something I wanted to talk about. I talked about this in my reel yesterday. I have the National Hurricane Center current disturbances map where we have two disturbances in the Atlantic at this time. We have one right up here, which has a 20% chance of formation in 7 days. And this one down here that just came off the coast of Africa has a 90% chance in 7 days. And this is the one we've been watching to become Aaron, our next tropical system. And I've been seeing a lot of hype out there, a lot of models being posted about where this storm could go, and let me assure you that this thing will not be making it to the United States until probably 7 to 10 days or so. So there's going to be a lot of flip-flopping with the models. It's not worth posting models. It's not worth even interpreting models at this point, as this storm isn't even named yet. We don't really know what's going to happen. Is it expected to become a tropical storm or a hurricane? But again, intensity, its path are just so uncertain, and we have low confidence in that at this time. But this one right down here that has this 90% chance has two potential paths here. It's either going to curve up, it's going to go west and then curve up to the north, or it's kind of just going to keep going straight kind of into the Gulf of Mexico. And the favorable path at this time is actually going north because of the breakdown of the Bermuda High out here, which I'll be watching very closely, although it's just something to keep an eye on. There's no threats to the United States at this time. But again, a lot of hype out there. Know your sources. Beware the share. And that's all I have for you guys today. Have a wonderful day. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.